guys, hi YouTube, I'm Mini Dobby and this is Mini Diaries. Today I'm with Polly and we're on our way up to Bingley Hall. We're going to Mini Fair 2019. It's the first show of the year. It's going to be great to see some proper clean minis, get to meet some Northern mini heads and also get some inspiration for the 2019 season. If you're new here, please hit subscribe. And I'll see you when I'm there, when I'm at Bingley Hall, and hopefully we'll capture some minis along the way. Let's see what happens.
really cool here today, seeing some of the proper super clean minis. It's also cool knowing some of the owners that are about, like Kieran, Alex and Tom, saying hello to them and seeing the minis in the flesh. It's also cool to see some new minis, something like that behind me. I got some sexy shots of it earlier. It's a coach built mini, it's a Clubman front, it's got loads of little neat intricate details about it, so this show is pretty cool to come and see some of the more special minis that do get trailered about, although he said he drove this all the way down from Scotland, so well done him. I'm going to keep walking around. I think I'm going up the top now to either look at the club cars, or I'm going in the trade area to go and find some bits. I've got to go and get something for Kenton, so let's go. So it's great to see all of the new parts still available for the classic Mini. I thought Specialist Components were going to be bringing some new parts out today, but I've been in a look and just seen my fantastic wheels down there. Did try buying Kenton a tower mount and it was too late, a bit unsuccessful from DSN. It's great to see all of them parts and how busy it is and how chocker it is, and everyone's still getting really excited for building projects and buying new parts, and even buying second-hand parts from the parts hall was amazing too, and just seeing a horde of people walking out with everything under their arms was pretty funny. Whilst I've also got you on the point of products, please go and check out my merch store, go and have a look at my new long sleeve tees. Got one of the baseball ones on today, it's keeping me nice and warm, and I think they look pretty banging, so I'll leave a description down below. Go and check them out for me guys, and maybe go and cop one of them and support a project and a real creator. It's great seeing all of these parts and all the mini enthusiasts trying to find that one golden piece for their projects. I'm not after anything in particular today, so let's go and have a see. Let's go and see what we can find and what's about, and see what deals could have been had if I was after something in particular. But there's so much stuff here and so many people are pulling out so many things. I expect to see so many projects this year. It's going to be wicked. So that's it now, we're on our way home. As you can see, it's starting to get a little bit dark. Me and Polly have worn our little legs out, we've done a lot of walking around today, and hopefully I've captured some really cool footage. So thank you for watching, thank you to Polly for coming along today, thank you to the Mini Heads for creating some absolutely banging minis for us to go and have a look at. There were some really cool cars there, Turbo Nick's one, Rolling on 10s, Tom's one from Total Car Reviews. That was great to see that in the flesh. Tooney's Mini, the 2000 mile Mini, that the carpets and the door cards absolutely looking plush. That was absolutely beautiful. It was also great to see some of the other YouTubers there. Got to meet Kev from the Gentleman's Racing Team, Racing Club. It was really nice to talk to you, Kev, and all of the other YouTubers that met earlier at Tooney's Car. So thank you for watching. Please hit subscribe. The
next video will be me back in the garage, and I've got some updates for you on my Mini to get across, and I can't wait to tell you them. So please stay tuned, hit subscribe, hit that notification bell, stay safe and be lucky.